How can video ads help your business? Hey there, my friends. When you start looking for ways to rapidly expand your business, not every marketing strategy will do the trick. You need to make money, and just as importantly, you need to get a return on your investment. After all, you can't keep a business alive through brand awareness alone. That is why video advertising should be your first bet. It is more effective than traditional TV advertising, and it costs substantially less. And there are many other benefits for your business aside from those. Here are our favorite ways video ads can help your business. Video ads can help your business reach a highly targeted worldwide audience. One of the greatest advantages of video advertising is in its reach. By advertising on video sharing sites such as YouTube, which gets over 30 million visitors a day from all around the world, you will be able to reach out to millions of people with your video advertising campaigns within a very short time. And who knows? You can complement your video ads with highly relevant video content that can go viral and give you millions of views in a few days' time. You can imagine the benefits of that for your business. Video ads increase conversions. Video ads can increase conversions by up to 80%, thanks to their disruptive nature. Because video ads interrupt the online watching experience, they are able to encourage people to take action on the spot. Video ads also offer the advantage of allowing you to integrate links to affiliate products, sales pages, sign-up forms, or online stores, which makes it easier for leads to follow through with an offer. Video ads can increase awareness of your business. Video ads can help you to deliver your message more effectively because video grabs your audience's attention more aggressively, helping people to remember more of what they saw and heard. This is because people will spend more time watching your video ads than they would staring at a display ad. And even if you use overlay and companion ads, people will most likely remember your business or product because they will be integrated into their audiovisual experience. Video ads are cost efficient. We already mentioned how online video ads are way less expensive than TV commercials, but saying so is just the tip of the iceberg. Advertising on a site such as YouTube is a cheap alternative for your business, as long as you know who you are going to target. Effective targeting helps you to avoid targeting the wrong audience, thus helping you to save money on unqualified leads. Cost reduction is not only because video ads are cheap, but also because video ads are cheaper to produce and edit, as you will be able to use affordable video capturing and editing tools to create your video ads. And the costs are lower when you factor in overlay and companion ads. As you can see, video ads are a flexible, affordable, and engaging way of promoting your business the right way. Want to learn more mind-blowing stuff about video advertising? Tune in to our following video.